Pour Tabasco sauce to a ramen. If you are completely tired of dealing with annoying pests running around your house, stop scrolling right now. You don't need to spend a ton of money on expensive chemical sprays or professional exterminators. Today, I'm going to show you a genius, budget-friendly DIY hack that you can make in less than 5 minutes using simple ingredients you probably already have sitting in your kitchen cabinet. To start things off, you're going to grab a regular pack of instant ramen noodles. Any brand works perfectly fine for this. Break them up into small, bite-sized pieces and toss them into a clean mixing bowl. Next, take exactly 1 tablespoon of baking soda and sprinkle it evenly right over the dry noodles. To activate the mixture and help everything bind together, pour in 2 tablespoons of 91% isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it's the high percentage kind so it works effectively. Now, we need a strong scent to really draw the pests in. So we are adding 2 tablespoons of Tabasco sauce right over the top. The strong, spicy aroma is key here. Immediately after the hot sauce, pour in 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. You'll notice it starts to react with the baking soda and fizz up a little bit. That is exactly what we want to see happening. Grab a spoon and mix everything together thoroughly. You want to make sure every single piece of ramen completely absorbs the liquid and is totally coated in that powerful mixture. Once it's fully combined, lay out a few small sheets of aluminum foil on your counter. Spoon a generous portion of the mixed noodles onto the center of each piece of foil so you have a few separate bait stations ready to go. Take the corners of the foil and crumple them up loosely into a small ball, making sure to leave the top open so the pests can easily smell and access the bait inside. Now for the final step. Take these little foil traps and strategically place them in the high-traffic problem areas around your home. Drop one behind the kitchen trash can, tuck another into the hidden corners of your bathroom, or slide them right along the baseboards where pests like to travel. Put these out tonight, leave them alone, and watch your pest problems disappear. Swap these little foil pods out every 3 to 4 days to keep the scent fresh and potent. If you have pets or small kids running around, just make sure to tuck them safely behind appliances or inside cabinets where they can't be reached. It's a totally hands-off setup that does all the heavy lifting for you while you sleep. Seriously, give this a try tonight and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to hit that save button so you can find this recipe later when you need it and share this video with a friend who is constantly battling bugs in their apartment. Let me know what DIY hack you want to see me try next. Within just 24 to 48 hours, you are going to notice a massive difference in your home. No more annoying surprises when you turn on the kitchen lights at night. It is cheap, it is incredibly easy, and it gets the job done without making your entire house smell like harsh chemical sprays. Say goodbye to the pests for good.